What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about a project that I talked about previously. Pikamoon is kind of taking the world by storm. I feel like it's gaining a lot more popularity than I ever thought that it would. And honestly, I thought it would gain popularity, but I see that a lot of people are hype about it. There's people that are asking me, "Hey, look, I saw your Pikamoon video, and I can't buy any right now. I can't do anything with it." So I'm a little upset that I can't get into it. And the reason why is because the pre-sale is sold out. And now that it's something that you can't have, a lot of people are like, I want it. When can I get it? When is it going to launch? I want to be in it day one. I won't be in it at the price that everybody else is in while they went into the pre-sale, but I want to get into it wherever I can get into it because they feel like it's going to run, a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50x, maybe even 100x from where it starts at. And honestly, with games like that, with cryptocurrencies like that, and connections like that, I wouldn't put it past them. I believe that they definitely have that possibility to do so. So I'm very excited for it. I know that a lot of other people are excited for it. I've seen videos about it. So let's talk about Pikamoon in this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out the links for Pikamoon, I will provide those links at the top of the description. Now, if you wanted to do something about it right now, you really couldn't do anything about it. The pre-sale is sold out. You're seeing 15 billion tokens out of 15 billion tokens that are sold, 6 million out of $6 million that has been sold. So you're going to see that phase three is sold out, and you're going to see some updates as time goes on to kind of get fully updated and get the information that you need. But if you needed to break down kind of what Pikamoon is, like it's the fastest growing GameFi token in the industry. And basically you can look at it as kind of like a fighter game or a battle game that's associated with it, as well as NFTs and as well as understanding the token side of it. So holders of Pikamoon NFTs gain special access to competitive esport arenas and bespoke experiences in the Dreva metaverse. The Dreva, an expansive, dynamic world offering rich play to earn, adventurous and player-driven creativity in the heart of the metaverse. Pika drives Pikamoon's play to earn model, offering players a tangible way to earn, spend, and invest within the game's economy. So you understand that you're gaining in multiple different ways, right? A game that everybody could love to play that right now is in beta, and you can honestly play it right now within the App Store as well as the Google Play Store. You have their audits through there, and you also understand the NFT portion of it and the specialized access that you have with that. And then the Pikaverse, right, where you can explore and do what you need to do, kind of like how you are in like a Pow World, right? If it's similar to that and what has happened with that, I feel like that has taken the world by storm, and people are still playing that heavily. But when you introduce cryptocurrency, NFTs, and investing into this, it's a whole nother world, a whole nother avenue, whole nother thing to explore. Again, phase three is sold out, so I know people are wondering if they're going to be able to do something. You have the ability to stake, right? After Pika's launch, you have start earning rewards. Pika staking will become live after the launch, where you can have your balance. You'll have your staked amount, and then the percentages that you will receive, depending on all of the different information that's obviously inputted in there and the time of staking. But you're going to see right now, 3 months at 12%, 6 months at 28%, and then seeing 12 months at 77%, and seeing what your total rewards could be depending on how much you decide to end up staking there. So honestly, again, it's offering you something extra, offering you another thing that could be big with it. Now, just to go into kind of their Twitter account, they have 27,000 followers on Twitter, and they did have this whole hype video that honestly got me hype. One, I'm included in it. Obviously, I love the fact that I am included in there, and it definitely gets you hype. I know it got me hype. So go and check that out. I will provide a link to the Twitter down below where you guys can watch it and see what it's all about. I think it's a 2 minute and 20-second video, they do go into detail and talk about on their Twitter. The founders are docs, so it shows the transparency, it shows the clarity, it shows that they care, it shows that they want to put themselves out there and show who's creating this, as well as who's continuing to develop and who's continuing to adopt and do as much as they can for the crypto space, especially within this area, within this sector. So it's great to see that. And then you have breakdown here on February 26th. The pre-sale, it shows, was sold out. Updates will be made when the development team are awake. The journey with Pika has just begun. And honestly, I do think that's the case, where it has just begun, right? We haven't seen the launch yet, and when we do see that launch, it's going to be big. I mean, there's a lot of people talking about it, a lot of interest around not just the investment side of it, but also the NFTs, as well as the play beta, the beta game. And you can customize your experience. Let's go through this. So you have assemble your team, pick and choose the Pika to fight for you, customize your experience, purchase different skins to customize the arena, an epic battling experience, fight intelligent NPCs, receive daily rewards, item gifted to our most loyal players, climb the rankings within it. So again, they're offering something that I feel like we haven't seen out here. And the rating right now is sitting at a 4.5 out of 5. So I definitely think you guys should explore it. Again, I will provide all the links down below. I know you can't do anything in the form of purchasing it right now, but you will be able to purchase it once we do see that go live, which should be sometime soon, and we should have some updates to that. I definitely want to explore this more. Understand that I'm, on the outside looking in, and I want to be on the inside looking in. So as soon as we hear that information, I want to be part of that, and how much hype and how much popularity I'm seeing with it. And also give you an update on how the token is moving, the NFT costs, the NFT specialized access, and all that type of information that we can give you guys. I feel like it's necessary to give you. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out any of the links that are down below, feel free to check out those links. I 100% implore you guys to do your own research on this, because there's a lot of information to take in. You can understand their journey, you can understand the NFTs, you can understand the gaming, you can understand the token, you can understand all of that stuff and just get a full grasp of what they have coming. And also follow them on Twitter to get any type of updates. And if you guys can alert me, if you get news before I get news, alert me and tell me what's going on. And if I get the news, I'll make sure to tell you guys what's going on. So feel free to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.